Hello guys, welcome back. So till now we have implemented the receiving part of the push notification. That is, when we receive the push notification, we display it. Of course, we also get the token for the recognition of each user, and also we ask for the permission. Okay, that is, we implemented these things in the previous section. We ask for the permission, then we listen for the push notification. That is, if the notification is received, then we display it using the dialog box, and then we get the token and we save that token to the database. So this is all about how we can receive the push notification and then display it. Of course, as I told you guys, we also implement the permission. That is, the user will allow permission, only then the notification will be received in the browser. And yeah, we get the token and we save the token to the user record inside the database. Now, as the receiving part is completed, next part comes is to send the notification. So from where we can send the notification, you already know that is when the user send a message or send a file or send an image. So we have to go to our messages widget dot file, and here we will now create a method here, and we can give it name as send push notification on web. On web, or you can say to web, that is browser to browser. Now this method will receive two parameters. One is the message text, the other one is the from username. From username, you already know that this is the sender name and this is the message text, which simply means the body of our push notification. Either it is a text message, an image, or a file. Here, the person to whom we are sending this push notification, that is, to whom the logged in user is sending a message. In simple words, the receiver token we have to get, because we are sending message to the receiver and we have to get the token. So only then we will recognize that user. That is, okay, this notification is only for that specific user. So we need to get that token from the database. So how we can get that? First of all, here we will need a variable underscore token. Then during when we save the chat to the Firebase, which is save recent chat to Firebase, in here what we can do is, before sending the notification, we have to get that receiver token to whom we are sending this push notification. Only then we will know that, okay, this notification is meant for that specific user only. Okay, so only that user will receive. That's why. So Firebase file store, for the time saving, what I'm going to do is I'm going to our home page, and where we save the same query we need, basically. Okay, in simple words, up to here. Copy this from here and paste it here. So we get that logged in user, that is the receiver. Okay, the receiver ID, so which is to user ID. So from the users collection, get the receiver token. So how we can get that? We can say .get .then. We only need one thing, and you already know that is the token. So we can say snapshot.data. As you know, in the database it is saved by the same key name token. So we get that token from the database, the receiver token. Okay, and we will assign this to our underscore token. So that token is assigned to underscore token variable, and let's make sure that we do that inside the set state. So as we have now the token, now we can add our condition, that is underscore token. If token is not equals to null, we will say if it is equals to null, then simply return, that is do not proceed and send the push notification. We can simply display a snack bar. We will tell in the snack bar no token exists, unable to send push notification. Okay, so we just say unable to send push notification snack bar. And by the way, for the time saving, you can copy it from your login sign up page and then paste it here and just change that message. So this is a simple snack bar code, and then we return if token is equals to null. If it is not equals to null, then the else statement will execute, or as we have already written it from here, so it simply means it will finish here. If token is equals to null, it will finish it here and it will come out from this method. It will stop executing this method. Otherwise, if token is not equals to null, then we can use the try catch block now, that is send the notification. So we can say catch and we can also display the error message in our snack bar, or you can print out. So we can say that error equals to error.toString and remove this const from it, okay, as the error message will be different.